How to change default language. Select Settings. Choose Language. Select English.
Setting successful.
Admin Setup. By fingerprint method. Select FP Admin. Enroll your fingerprint. Input your fingerprint 3 times. It will notice you once enroll complete.
Please remove your fingers. Add successfully.
Repeat the step to enroll the second admin. Admin Setup. By password method. Select PWD Admin. Select Add Admin. Select B0001.
Please enter the password with the pound key. Confirm.
Input your password 8 digits.
Please enter the password again.
Re-input same password to confirmation.
Add successfully.
Enroll new user. By fingerprint method. Enter *2 times into admin auth. Input admin password. Select FP Management. Select Add User. Select User ID. Enroll the new fingerprint.
Please input again. Please input again. Please remove your fingers. Add successfully.
Enroll new user. By password method. Select PWD Management. Select Add User. Select User ID.
Please enter the password with the pound key. Confirm.
Input the user password.
Please enter the password again. Add successfully.
Delete user. By fingerprint method. Select FP Management. Select Delete User. Select User ID want to delete.
Delete successfully.
Delete user. By password method. Select PWD Management. Select Delete User. Select User ID want to delete.
Successfully.
Smartphone configuration. Select Settings. Select Remote Mod. Select Remote Unlock. Remote unlock successfully. Factory reset. Select Settings. Select Reset. Input reset code 222.
Factory resetting successful.
Application settings. Install LifeSmart apps. Search LifeSmart. Download and install the LifeSmart apps. Register new account. Select Sign Up. Input your account information. Account register successful. Add Smart Station. Click plus the main controller. Select Search. Select the device IP address. It may take time when adding the Smart Station. Smart Station add successfully. Add Smart Door Lock. Select Add Device. Click Smart Door Lock. Click the pairing button. Use Sharp Object to hold the reset button. Smart Door Lock add successfully. Application configuration. Select Configuration the fingerprint. Key in the admin ID. Rename the admin name. Smart Door Lock configuration complete. Push notification. Select Setting. Enable the notification. Tick the master account. Save it. Temporary passcode. Select temporary user. Input the username. Input the user password. Tick one time. The temporary user been added. Any question or want to know more? Email us at info@lifesmart.com.